Hi guys, welcome back to the Babe Homestead. I'm back with another quick update on building the homestead home. Yesterday was the 17th, I think, and that's what I got done. I finished filling the block holes over here and over here. This entire wall. All the block pockets are now filled. These ones right here, I decided to just go all the way across with a beam. The column right there is full. I'm thinking there should have been a space right here, but the builder did not do it. But hopefully it's fine. We're gonna have to put a beam across. All this wall needs to go up like 2 more block heights, but it needs a beam all the way across there. This column is filled. I don't remember if I said that before. That one too. And the back one is full also. I got it done yesterday. I had to pay a guy to mix the concrete for me because mixing concrete takes a lot of work. But I finished boxing up this one over here. And I just did one thing. So I have the rebar column right there to put in. I have to crack that concrete right around there to tie the rebar to the existing one. And this one needs some forms to so we can cast that one. And then it's gonna have a beam or a built-in all the way across there and across there, meeting that one. Yep, so that's it for day 17 progress. Today is day 18 and I didn't get much done because I was really tired, but I got those up. That and this one over here, that one, I need to get this one up too. And then I'm gonna cut some steel rebar, the lintel for the door, this doorway right here. That's my plan for today. It's going to be a long night. I'm gonna work through the night because I didn't get much done today. That's my rest of stuff right here. So yeah, that's what I want to do. I started on another project though today, but that's for another video. Also need to start working on the lintel forms. So I need to get those down. And that one, I think that one's gonna interfere with the scaffold, but I need these things. It's either the scaffold or not getting what I need to get done or more delays. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it right now. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to follow the Babe Homestead journey. Bye bye.